We need glue, we need glitter, we need baking soda, we need solution, and we can use the food coloring. We need the popsicle stick. First, we need glue. First, we need lots of glue. We made baking soda. First, maybe this one. Solution. Okay, let's put it. Pour it. Okay, I need to stir. I love red. Red is so sweet and soft. My look, it's coming red. Keep stirring. Getting slimy and sticky. Let's grab the glitter. We need to stir it. I want to mix it with my hand. It's so slimy. It's so scratchy and squishy. Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh! Help! So slimy. Look.
Okay, hi guys. My name is Jay, and we're gonna make slime with a borax. The ingredients we're gonna need are school glue. It's washable and non-toxic. The other ingredient is baking soda, and we're gonna use contact lens solution, 2 teaspoons. And the other ingredient we're gonna use is food coloring, any color, it's optional, and glitter, and popsicle stick for mixing in a bowl. First, we're gonna put in the glue, all of it. And then we're gonna put in the baking soda. And then the contact lens solution, and then the food coloring, 2 to 3 drops. Okay, and then the glitter, and then we're gonna mix it. Until it's not sticky anymore. Once it's not sticky anymore, you can just throw it in. And then you're done.
Subscribe and like. Thanks for watching the video. keep it moving. Mommy, keep it moving, keep it moving. So stretchy and gooey.